can you see, Farasha? Can you see some birds? What's in here?
Look up there, right in the corner of the building. Right in the corner.
Ducks on top of the roof. Kiwi bird life park.
Where's the table? Because there's a chair here.
Are you having fun, Farasha?
But that's a pie table. So this is actually...
Wow, Farasha, what do you see? That's a big Kia bird. Oh my god, he's gigantic. Oh, there's another one there.
There's another one. Down there. Hey, fly here because I want to see your wings. Go, go, go. Oh, go.
No, don't touch. Don't hurt people, please.
I see one.
Can I just go forward here so I can put these here and they can see it? Can they? Yeah.
Look out there actually.
Come on, Farasha.
She's saying hi, Kiwi.
Come on, Farasha. Hi, Kiwi birds. This way, please.
Hi, guys.
Did you say hi, ducks?
One for Mama.
Mom, look. Flamingo.
It looks a bit like a flamingo. It's called a black. It's a
What bird can you see here?
He's using his claw to put food in his mouth. You're clever.
Farasha, look. Wow.
And do you see two more parakeets in the tree?
Did you see three?
Yeah.
Farasha, can you see? I'll show you.
This is 10.
Can you see the green birds? Up there, look. Wow. Green birds. Can you see them? Those are cool, aren't they? How beautiful. Green parakeet birds.
Oh, a hostess.
Parakeets. Whoa, what's in here?
Fish. I see that fish.
You see the fish? So, Ruby, come back.
I can't find. I'm eat, Mama, eat.
Yep. Can you see the tui?
1 and 5. Where's 1 and 5? So we're right here.
Louis the
We're here.
Tui. I love toys.
Where's Louis the Tui?
We're right here.
Can you see the tui, Farasha?
Look, can you see the Tui? Go and see the toys.
Where is the Dewey?
There's heaps of toys in Nana's garden, aren't there?
Oh no.
Where?
Tui and a brown
Where, Billy? Can you see the tuis?
Yeah.
Ali had a tui.
Mum, we're right here.
I know.
Look, there's a Kiwi excursion.
Can you see the raki raki kaira? Can you see the raki raki nara? I might move back so they can see a wee bit.
This is
Can
amazing.
you see the raki raki?
Oh, Farasha, no.
So, 20, 2 and a 0, 2 and a 0. This is number 20. We need to find 2 and 0. I found it.
I reckon these kids will have to learn
Here.
mehe manu
I
then.
swear. So bad. Oh, we're gonna pet them.
No.
Oh my god, they're so beautiful. Wicca. He wants to look at the pram.
I think he wants to probably.
You see the wicker bird? There's another one down there. Say hi, wicker bird.
Say kia ora, wika.
Hi, wicker. That's a native wicker bird. Hi, wicker.
That's what I think he was aiming for.
And look, here's another wicker. Hi, wicker bird. Did you say hi, Farasha? Hi, wicker.
This one is so friendly one.
Yeah.
We can't find the box with it.
Did you see the wicker, Farasha?
Oh, house.
Yeah, house. Come on, let's go this way. Come on. Come on. You can see the house from this side, look. That's the Wicker's house. Oh, here he is. Look over here. He's eating. Hi, Wicker.
Eating.
Eating sugar.
There's another one. Don't scare him.
Oh, he's so beautiful.
That's what they ate.
What am I? Look, can anyone see a red-crowned parakeet?
You are not wearing gloves.
Dakota, can you see a little bird? A green bird with a red crown on his head.
Can you see the green?
Kei korane. Kei korane. Wai tō reo, Willie.
Yes. So these are control doors. We have to wait.
We're hatched out at the park here from our yellow crown aviary out in the park. So we also have their sister taxa, the red crown kakariki as well. They're also found only here in New Zealand, so very, very special. Now, unfortunately, since the colonisation of New Zealand, their numbers and distribution have greatly decreased. Now, we can attribute this to the introduction of many mammal species that were once not in New Zealand. So we didn't have those rats, we didn't have mice, we didn't have cats and dogs, all of those species that like to predate on our beautiful birds. So these little guys here, these days their distribution a little bit more restricted and as well as their numbers. So we do have our tuatara, a very handsome man, his name is Zeus. So Zeus here lives at the park, he lives out the back of Kiwi House too with our other juvenile tuatara. So this tuatara is 21 years old. He is a juvenile. He will not reach adulthood until he is 35 years old. Now we don't actually know how long these guys can live for. The oldest recorded tuatara in New Zealand is 134. His name is Henry and he lives at Southland Museum. So Henry started breeding at the ripe old age of 110. Pretty good going. He's still going strong at 134. He has 3 girlfriends. The youngest of his girlfriends is 90 years younger than him. So we're pretty impressed with Henry down in Southland. Now I did mention we don't know how old they can get because they've outlived anyone that's ever looked after them. He likes you, he wants to drink your ginger beer. So Zeus here, we don't know how long he's going to live for, but we know he's definitely going to outlive all of us. So Zeus here is an amazing example of one of those tuatara. He's got a wiggly on there. So a couple of amazing features about these guys is they actually have a third eye. Now I'm going to try and wander past everyone. If you can't see a third eye, there's no surprises because it's actually covered by a layer of skin and it sits on the top of his head. Now tuatara use their third eye for potentially the detection of UV and temperature. It contains a cornea, a lens, an eyelid, an optic nerve. It's got all the structures of an eye. It just doesn't take photographs. So it's pretty impressive, and it is one of the random features that put these guys in an entire order of reptiles on their own. So they are extremely important for the world because if these guys can as well. So I'll just see if I can get her to fly down to me. Or she'll just fly off. Work with animals, they said. So we'll see if we can get Molly back on hand. But she is a mōpō koruru, and we've got a breeding pair of those here at the park as well. So Molly comes out in the show here as an example of one of these gorgeous species of a native bird. When she comes back out, it's probably a good time to mention that we do take the pace at the show at the pace of our birds. No one is ever forced to do anything they don't want to. We work with positive reinforcement instead of any negative one. So Molly here, gorgeous, gorgeous bird, big, huge yellow eyes. Those eyes, apparently if she was standing at the top of the gondola, she would be able to look right down and see us, what we're having for lunch down here. So pretty impressive vision. She can also rotate her neck 270 degrees. So she's showing you an example of that neck rotation. It also helps because her eyes are actually set in one place, so it helps her to be able to look around. So Molly here, she is a raptor. Prior to the arrival of rats and mice, they would feed on insects, but they've adapted quite well. So luckily for us, we get to feed her some chopped up rat today. It's really, really nice to hold in your hand when you're standing up the front here. But she is showing you what an awesome predator she is by swooping through the air. You may notice she doesn't make any flight noise. So her flight is completely silent. That helps her with her predation. She's able to hear her prey down on the ground through the sound of her own wings. So she's an amazing predator. Now the one thing that's been facing these guys, and that's deforestation. She likes to swoop nice and low to everybody's head.
A Pukiko. Hi, Pukiko.
He does like scratches, but if he decides he doesn't like them anymore,
so
he can
beautiful.
be quite...
That's a
You wanna
Pukiko,
scratch?
eh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is rad. So he has
Rad.
angel wing. See how he's got deformed
Yeah.
wings? So he can't fly.
Oh, yeah.
So
yeah.
they've had him here for years.
Oh,
He's probably
he's
been
gorgeous.
here
Did you have fun, Farasha? Farasha?